my problem is INEC. I don't know whether they will do what they say they will do. Because they are making promises now. I don't know whether they will keep to it. If INEC will keep to the promises that they say that Nigeria will get a better election, I'll be so happy. Everybody will see with their eyes. Abuja does not vote. It is the people here that will vote. And then Mr. President said yesterday, he will not interfere. He told the governors he will not interfere, he will not intimidate. But I don't ask, so you know why you interfere now? You interfere by sending people to come and finish us in River State. Thank you, Mr. President, for saying that you will not interfere and intimidate anybody, which means your party, no way. No way. I thank Mr. President for coming out and telling his governors, because of course he interfered last time by using the army through the Foreign Minister of Transportation, tried to do everything, but the people stood up and said, no, this will not happen. I thank Mr. President that he wants to leave a legacy of conducting a free and fair election.